Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to track download links with Google Tag Manager. To do this, we must first create a variable. Click on the variables under the container section, then click on the new button. However, I already created a variable earlier. I named my variable click URL path and chose auto event variable for the type. Then under configure variable, I selected element URL for the variable type and selected path for the component type. Then I clicked on Save Variable. Now that we have created our variable, we are now ready to create our tag. I clicked on Tags and then a New button. However, I also created my tag earlier. I named my tag GA Event Downloads. Then I chose Google Analytics for the product type and Universal Analytics for the tag type. Then I clicked on Continue button. Under Configure tag, I selected a variable from this block here called GA Property ID. If you want to know how I created the GA Property ID variable, you can refer to our previous video, How to Set Up Google Analytics in Google Tag Manager. Then for the track type, I selected Events and typed in Download for the category. I then selected Click URL Path for the action and then Click URL for the value. I clicked on Continue. Under Fire On, I selected Click as a trigger and then clicked on the New button to create a new trigger. However, I already created one earlier. I named my trigger Click Download Links and then under Configure Trigger, I selected Just Links for the target and typed in 2000 milliseconds for the maximum waiting time for the tag. I then clicked on Continue. For Enable When, I selected Page URL from this dropdown, then matches regex from this dropdown, and then typed .* from this portion and clicked on Continue. For Fire On, I selected Click URL Path from this dropdown, then matches regex ignore case, and I typed in this expression \dot open parenthesis PDF pipe doc pipe XLS pipe zip then close parenthesis and a $sign. I can then save my trigger and save the tag. Now to test if my tag is working, I'll click on this arrow beside the Publish button and select Preview on the above. This orange banner here indicates that I'm already in preview mode. I will go to my website and click on a product. As you can see here, I have a download link. Now watch closely at the bottom portion of my page as I click on the download link. As you can see here, the GA event downloads tag that we have just created has already fired on my page. Now let's go to my Google Analytics. I'll click on Global Traffic from the website that I want to check, and then click on Real Time, and click on Events. Here, we can see that my Google Analytics has already detected a download event in my website. This means that my tag is firing. And that's it. Thanks for watching our video tutorial on how to track download links with Google Tag Manager.